and welcome to Stay in the Loop, where we know parent engagement is just as vital as student engagement. In our previous video, we learned the two strategies, area model and partial product, to multiply 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. In this video, we are going to use those same strategies to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication facts. So allow me to put on my focals, and let's begin. So we have 54 times 12, or 54 groups of 12, using the partial product strategy. Right now, it is currently written horizontally, so we want to restack them vertically to solve. Beginning in the ones place, we have 4 times 2, which gives me the partial product 8. Next, we are going to multiply our tens digit, which in this case is 50 times 2, which gives me the partial product 100. Now, I am finished multiplying anything times 2, and now my focus is the digit in the tens place. So, I am now going to multiply 4 times 10, and that gives me the value of 40. The last set of values that we need to multiply in this equation is 50 times 10, which gives me the partial product 500. I have multiplied everything that needs to be multiplied, and now it is time to add up my partial products. So I have 500 plus 100 plus 40 plus 8. So that leaves me with an 8 in the ones place, a 4 in the tens place, and a 6 in the hundreds place. So 54 times 12 gives me a product of 648. Now we're going to look at another problem using our strategy area model. So remember, your area model is your box that you section off into however many parts that your number needs to be decomposed in. So for this case, 18 is going to be decomposed into 10 and 8. 23 is going to be decomposed into 20 and 3. Remember, the area model is length times width. So I have 20 times 10, which gives me the partial product of 200. We have 20 times 8, which also gives me the partial product of 160. Then when we get to the bottom, we have our values of length of 3, width of 10. So 3 times 10 gives me 30 as a partial product. And lastly, we have our length of 3 and our width of 8, which gives me the partial product of 24. I have all my boxes filled, which means my last step is simply to add up all of those partial products in my area model box. So we have 200 plus 160 plus 30, and lastly, 24. Adding up all of those values gives me a 4 in the ones place, an 11 in the tens place, which means I need to regroup, as well as a 4 in the hundreds place. So 18 times 23 gives me the product 414. My favorite part of the lesson is for you to practice independently. So go ahead and pause the video at this time and get to work. Okay, so here are our answers for the first two problems. One problem is using the partial product strategy. 81 times 42 is using the area model strategy. And here are our final two. Again, we are having the partial product strategy shown along with the area model strategy shown. I truly hope that this was helpful because, again, all it takes is one aha. Please subscribe and share. Thanks so much.